Imagine looking back 10 years from now and wishing you had done something so simple, yet so powerful, for your health and strength. Isometric exercises might not look flashy, but they're the quiet powerhouse of fitness, building muscle, protecting joints, and boosting endurance without the pounding wear and tear of high-impact moves. They involve holding a position under tension, forcing your muscles to work hard without moving a joint. This makes them incredibly effective for people of all ages, whether you're aiming for better performance, improved posture, or healthier blood pressure. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership, just a few minutes, a bit of space, and the willingness to commit. Skip them now, and you may find yourself wishing you hadn't. Start today, and your future self will thank you every time you move, stand, or lift with strength and confidence. Before starting this video, let me know, where are you from? Number 1. Plank. The plank is one of the most effective isometric exercises for building a strong, stable, and resilient core. At first glance, it might look simple, just holding yourself in a straight line. But the magic lies in the tension it creates throughout your entire body. When performed correctly, a plank engages your abs, obliques, lower back, shoulders, chest, and even your glutes and legs. This full-body activation not only strengthens your muscles, but also improves posture, stability, and balance. To do a basic forearm plank, start by lying face down. Place your forearms on the floor with elbows directly under your shoulders, hands flat or clasped together. Lift your body off the ground, supporting yourself on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine and squeeze your glutes to prevent your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly ahead of your hands. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds, focusing on steady breathing. As you build strength, aim to increase your hold time or try variations like side planks, reverse planks, or planks with leg lifts to challenge different muscle groups. Planks are ideal because they can be done anywhere, require no equipment, and are joint-friendly. Incorporating them into your routine a few times a week will strengthen your core, protect your spine, and lay the foundation for better movement in every activity you do. Number 2. Wall sits. Wall sits are a simple yet highly effective isometric exercise for building lower body strength, endurance, and stability. They primarily target the quadriceps, but also engage the hamstrings, glutes, and calves, making them an excellent choice for overall leg development. To perform a wall sit, stand with your back against a flat wall and your feet shoulder-width apart, about 2 feet away from the wall. Slowly slide your back down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back flat against the wall, head and shoulders relaxed, and hands either at your sides or crossed over your chest. Avoid resting them on your thighs. Engage your core to maintain stability, and make sure your knees are directly above your ankles, not jutting past your toes. Hold the position for 20 to 60 seconds, focusing on steady breathing. As you get stronger, aim for longer holds or add challenges like holding weights or lifting one leg at a time. Wall sits are low impact, require no equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. Incorporating them into your routine helps improve muscular endurance, joint stability, and even cardiovascular health when done regularly. Number 3. Superman holds. The Superman hold is an excellent isometric exercise for strengthening the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders while improving spinal stability and posture. To perform it, lie face down with arms extended in front of you and legs straight. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor, keeping your gaze slightly forward to avoid neck strain. Squeeze your glutes and engage your back muscles, holding the position for 10 to 30 seconds. Lower slowly and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. This exercise is especially helpful for counteracting slouched posture and supporting a strong, healthy spine in everyday activities. Number 4. Isometric push-ups. The isometric push-up is a powerful upper body exercise that builds strength and endurance in the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core without requiring multiple repetitions. Instead of moving through the full push-up range, you hold your body in a lowered position, creating constant tension in your muscles. To perform it, start in a standard push-up position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width and body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself halfway down until your elbows are at about a 90-degree angle. Engage your chest, arms, and core, and hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds while breathing steadily. Keep your elbows tucked slightly toward your body, avoid letting your hips sag or rise, and maintain a neutral neck. Isometric push-ups are excellent for increasing muscular endurance, improving push-up strength, and building stability for other upper body movements. Number 5. Calf raises. The calf raise hold is a simple yet highly effective isometric move that builds strength, stability, and endurance in the lower legs. Strong calves not only improve athletic performance but also enhance balance, ankle stability, and walking or running efficiency. To perform it, stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as possible. Engage your calves and hold the top position for 10 to 30 seconds, keeping your body upright and core tight. Lower back down with control. For added challenge, try holding a weight, using one leg at a time, or standing on an elevated surface to increase range of motion. Regular calf raise holds can reduce injury risk, improve posture, and make daily movements feel stronger and more effortless. Number 6. Glutes bridge. The glute bridge hold is a powerful isometric exercise that strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core, while also improving hip mobility and posture. It's especially beneficial for counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting, which can weaken the glutes and tighten the hip flexors. To perform it, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place your arms at your sides with palms facing down. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes at the top. This is your hold position. Maintain the lift for 20 to 60 seconds, focusing on steady breathing and keeping tension in your glutes throughout. Avoid letting your hips drop or arching your lower back excessively. Adding glute bridge holds to your routine improves lower body strength, stability, and athletic performance, while also supporting a healthier, more aligned posture. Here's a simple isometric workout you can do 3 to 4 times a week for full body strength and stability. Plank. 30 to 60 seconds wall sit. 30 to 60 seconds glute bridge, hold. 30 to 60 seconds calf raise, hold. 20 to 40 seconds Superman hold. 20 to 30 seconds isometric push-up, hold. 10 to 30 seconds. Perform each exercise in order, resting 20 to 40 seconds between moves. Complete 2 to 3 rounds for a full workout. Focus on keeping muscles engaged throughout each hold and breathing steadily. Over time, increase your hold duration or add variations for more challenge. This routine builds strength, improves posture, and supports joint health without heavy impact. Isometric exercises may look simple, but their benefits are long-lasting. They build strength, stability, and endurance while protecting your joints and improving posture. Just a few minutes a week can make a big difference in how you move and feel. Start now, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.